That's a star. I'm holding my phone and it's really cold outside, so that's why I'm shaking all over the place. But that star is blinking like crazy. It's like blue, white, and red. There's no trees to block the view, so it's not like leaves moving around or anything. There's no wind out here. What? Look at that. That is crazy. It's not. Come on. Dang it. Look. That normal star, right? Normal star. There it is. It's not a plane. It's not moving. It's in one spot. That's crazy. It's going absolutely nuts. I was just looking outside, looking at the stars, and I'm seeing this flash, and I'm like, oh, it's just a plane. Yeah, nope, not a plane. Stupid phone can't focus at nighttime. There it is. That is crazy looking. Wow. Tell me what you all think in the comments because that's not normal. Not normal what I see in the sky. I get stuff like this in the sky out at my house. It looks like a donut. Freaking Blinky McBlink over here. I wish this camera caught all the colors. Jeez, oh Pete, that's crazy. That's a crazy weird star. Normal. Blinky, 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 blink. Jeez. Nuts. Just nuts. Here we go. I got to focus on that one. Oh, now I'm really having a hard time holding still because I'm cold. Normal. Blink, 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 blink. Weird. Let me know down in the chat if you've seen this before. Crazy. Crazy. A little update on my daughter. Her surgery went well. She's recovering better than expected. And I just want to say thank you for everybody that was praying for me. And, well, praying for my daughter, I should say. Look at that crazy blink, 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 blink. blank, 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 blank. Nuts. Just nuts. Oh, and another update. Broke my laptop charging cord, so I'm gonna see if there's a spare one around here and get the next fishing video done. My daughter and I went out fishing. My oldest daughter and I went out fishing. We did a video for that, and I have to do my top 20 music video, so that'll be coming up soon. So, all right, let me know what you think about Blinkety Blink here. Very weird. Very weird. All right. Later, guys.